pretty butterflies. Wow, they're so fast. Let's try to catch one. Wow, look at all the butterflies. They're so pretty. And look, our village. Hee hee. Mom, the kitten and I are so happy.
I can see that, my dear. Enjoy your time together.
We will.
Good.
Let's hide, kitty. Shh, are they gone? Wow, that banyan tree looks amazing. I'm almost there.
Hello, young one.
Whoa, a talking bird?
Indeed, we must talk.
Fly away, little friend. Wow, you're flying. Wow, you're glowing. It's so beautiful. You're magic. Hello, Monu. I have something exciting to tell you.
Okay, I'm listening.
The trees are full of yummy berries.
Flying is amazing! Your wings lift you high!
Wow, show me.
See? You glide and steer with your wings.
So cool. I wonder what you're thinking about, little friend. I love you, little friend. You're the best bird. Tweet. Forever friends. Hi there, little friend. Chirp, chirp. It's a beautiful day. Chirp. Wow, look at the crowd. And the balloons are so pretty. This is the best day. Hey, little bird, are you having fun? Chirp, chirp. I knew you were. Look at that wheel. Wow, look at that big wheel. Let's go to the candy shop. So many glittering sweets. What flavor is this? I have no idea. This is so confusing. Wow, so much candy. Look at all that candy. I want to try them all. Whoa, this is a lot of candy. Oh no, I'm feeling a bit dizzy. I hope I don't get in trouble.
Hey kid, the prizes are rigged. No way, really?
Yep, watch this. I can't find my parents.
Don't you worry, little one. We'll find them together.
Really? Sorry I took it.
It's okay, Monu. Thank you.
I felt bad.
It's good.
Yay! Wow, Dad, look at the river.
It looks so clean today.
Wait, it's getting dirty.
Oh no, what happened? Look, son, that fish is floating so sadly.
Why is it sad, Dad? So sad.
Let's help it.
Everyone, come quick! Something's wrong with the fish!
What is it? The fish is acting strange.
Look, it's thrashing. Something's not right.
What is this commotion? Who let this creature in our village waters? Boy, explain yourself now!
This frog won't budge. Just scoop it up.
It's not that simple. Try talking to it.
Please stop arguing.
Look, a bird.
Even here, they still come.
It's beautiful. What is that?
Stay calm, everyone.
It's okay, sweetie.
Monu, you can do this. I believe in you.
Thank you, Zita. I'll try.
Ready for this, Monu?
I am. Let's go. I have to confess something.
What is it, Monu?
I'm so excited for our adventure. Everyone, please listen quietly. I have something important to share.
Quiet now.
My son, I was so worried.
I'm sorry, Mother. He is safe now.
I know. My heart was breaking.
My son, you've made me so proud. I love you, Amma.
A fine son and a proud mother. The village is blessed. My friends, we must stand together on this.
I agree completely. Yes, we agree.
Then it is settled.
Agreed.
Children, the river needs our help. Let's clean it together.
Yes, let's go!
Great. Grab the trash and fill your baskets. Great work, team. Let's get these eggs back.
Yes, we're a great team!
That's the spirit. Almost home.
Wow, Monu, what a beautiful basket.
Thank you.
I collected them.
You're amazing, Monu.
Hee, thanks.
Wow, Monu! So many pretty eggs!
I brought them for you.
Of course!
Yay! Look at these pretty eggs.
They're beautiful.
I picked them myself.
Wonderful eggs. Yay!
Bravo.
Yay, you found the pink egg!
That's right. It's pink.
What a smart baby!
Look, Birdie, a rainbow. Let's go to the river. The water is fun. Chirps, please. This sunset is so beautiful. I wish we could keep it forever.
Just you and me.
Sharing is kind, little one. It makes us friends.
Friends? Ooh.
Yes, and kindness grows when we share.
Bye-bye. Wow, Birdie. Fly high. So pretty. Yay! Let's play!
Okay, I'll race you!
Me too! I'll be the referee. Ready, set, go! Wow, look at the river! It's shining so bright! What a beautiful day! Look at the pretty village! Ooh, let's play! Look at you standing so proudly! Yes, you're doing so well! Always speak the truth. It's very important. Let's watch the birds! Birds from clouds! Wow, look at them fly! So high!